Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is finally fall and I'm so excited as fall is my favorite season. Comment down below if fall is also your favorite season. I just love the colors and the food and the pumpkin and all that kind of fun stuff. So if you want to know how I achieved this fall makeup look, then just keep watching. Hey guys, so to start off, I'm just going to be using my Giovanni setting and primer spray all over my face, and I really like this one because it does have mostly organic ingredients. Next, I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and I'm in the shade Ivory, and I'm just going to be putting that in little triangles underneath my eyes, on my eyelids, down the center of my face, and wherever else I feel like I need it. Next, I'm taking my MAC Fix Plus spray and a beauty sponge, spraying that on my face, trying not to eat it, and blending everything out. Next, I'm taking my Revlon Photo Ready setting powder or face powder and an e.l.f. face powder brush, and I'm just going to be putting that to set my concealer as well as anywhere else I need it, which is practically my whole face. For my eyebrows, I'm taking my Essence Make Me Brow Gel in the shade Dark Brown. And I don't do too much to my eyebrows, I'm kind of just shaping them the way I want them to with the brow gel. Next, I'm going to be taking my Tartelette Toasted palette and taking that first white shade as a base shade and putting that all over my lids. I love this palette, all the warm tones are so pretty and perfect for fall. Now I'm going to take the shade Cashmere, which is right below it, a really pretty light peach shade. This is going to be my transition shade, and I'm just going to put that all over my lid. Next, I'm going to be taking the shade right beside it, which is a slightly warmer, deeper kind of shade, and I'm just going to focus this on my outer corners of my eyes and my crease. I did end up blending it out a lot and adding a bit more to make it more pigmented. And I'm using an e.l.f. Fluffy blending crease brush. Next, I'm going to be taking that dark shade in the shade Cozy. It's like the purpley, really pretty shade. And I'm just going to be putting that on my outer corners, but like my really outer corners of my eyes, not quite bringing it up to my crease. And I did have to layer this quite a bit to get the darkness that I wanted. And I'm just going to go back in with that same brush and blend it all up. Now I'm going back with that white shade again that I first used and just putting that on my inner corners of my eyes, and then that gold shade from the palette right on top of that. I'm going to take that white shade again just to highlight my brow bone right underneath my eyebrows. Next, I'm taking my Fenty Beauty highlighter in the shade Trophy Wife. I love this shade. It's not so great on my skin for a highlighter just because of my skin tone, but I do use it as a eyeshadow. Unless I'm feeling really extra and fancy, then I will use it as a highlighter as well. But I'm just putting that in my inner corners. Next, I'm taking just a simple brown pencil liner. I prefer brown over black, and I'm just putting a thin line on my upper lash line and about 3/4 of the way of my lower lash line. Then I'm taking my eyelash curler, and these things totally scare me, and I'm just going to curl my lashes. Then I'm going to be taking the Tarte Gifted mascara. I really love this mascara, but it takes me forever to do my eyelashes.
2 hours later.
Once they're finally done the way I want them to be, then I'm just going to use my chapstick, my EOS, and to keep the fall theme, this one is in Pumpkin Spice. Next, I'm going to take my favorite bronzer right now, and it is the Amazonian Clay Tarte Park Avenue Princess Bronzer. I use a lot of Tarte products in this video, and an angled face brush. Now I'm going to use my favorite blush, and this is the Tarte blush in the shade Harmony. It's a really pretty peachy shade, and I don't use too much of it just to kind of brighten up the face a little bit. Next, I'm going to use my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Dewdrops, and I'm just going to put those on my cheekbones, blending it in with my fingers, and then using what's left on my finger on my Cupid's bow and the bridge of my nose. Next, my favorite part, which is my lips. I'm going to be using my new favorite lipstick, and this is the ColourPop Ultra Blotted Lip in the shade Party Wave, and this one was in the My Life as Ava collection. I absolutely love these. They're so pretty, and this is the final look. So I'm just going to be taking that same setting spray to set my makeup. And just to keep it fall themed, I decided to use 2 of my favorite fall Bath & Body Works scents to finish it off. So thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below if you liked this video, and I will see you guys next time.